Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to step number 14 in how to create a Wix website. Now in this video guys, we're going to go ahead and talk about how we can connect our custom domain name to our Wix website. Now a custom domain name is pretty important when creating our website guys because it removes the Wix branding from our URL and it makes our website look very professional. So it's extremely important guys that we do get a custom domain name. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Let's go to our Wix account. So once we're on our Wix account guys, to get our custom domain name, we're going to go ahead and press the site tool right here. And then we're going to scroll down to where it says connect domain and we're going to go ahead and click that. So once we do that guys, we will see this pop-up appear over here which says connect your domain, and we have two settings over here. The first one says get your new domain name. The second one is connect a domain name you already have. So for this example guys, I'm going to go ahead and select a new domain name from the beginning. So let's go ahead and select that and let's give it a second. So once we do that guys, we will be directed to this page right here, which is Wix's pricing page. Over here guys, we can see that there are 5 different pricing plans available. So in short guys, to get a custom domain name, you have to select a Wix pricing plan. Now with that said guys, a quick point that I do want to make is that each pricing plan comes with a 14-day money back guarantee. So if you're unhappy with the plan and its features, you can go ahead and cancel it within the 14 days and get your money back. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Now with that said guys, these are the 5 different plans available. Now the features are unique to each plan, so depending on what your budget is and what you want to go for, you can go ahead and select a plan. Now very simply put guys, if you're looking to build something very small that doesn't require a lot of functionality and features, then I would recommend going with a combo plan because it has a lot of cool features for a smaller website. However, if you want to build something more established and more powerful with cool premium features like for example vouchers and site boosters over here, you can go ahead and select this plan right here. Or if you want to build an e-commerce focused store, you can go ahead and select this plan focused to e-commerce. And lastly guys, if you want a high-end plan which has priority support and a lot of cool things, you can go ahead and select this high-end VIP plan. But nonetheless guys, it's completely up to you and how much your budget is. Now with that said guys, for this example, I'm going to go ahead and select this combo plan right here because in my opinion, it's a good plan to start with. So once you have a plan picked out, you can go ahead and press this select option right here, and then we will be directed to this page right here, which is pretty much a billing cycle page. So we can select the 2-year subscription, the yearly subscription, or a monthly subscription. I'm going to go ahead and select this monthly subscription option. Once you have that done, go over here and press the select button on the bottom and give it a second while it loads guys. So once we do that guys, we will be directed to this page right here where we're going to go ahead and enter our billing information. Now before this video started guys, I went ahead and filled out my billing information. You can go ahead and fill it out, just pause the course. And once you have that filled out guys, we can scroll down over here and press the submit purchase button. So let's go ahead and do that guys, and let's give it a second while it loads. And there we go guys, over here we can see that congratulations, your site is premium. So that's pretty cool. So once we have that done guys, you can go ahead and check out your bill over here. So you can go ahead and click that and you have the information about your billing. So that's pretty cool. And if we scroll down over here guys, we can go ahead and put in our desired new custom domain name. So for this course guys, I'm going to go ahead and pick the domain name divotcourse.com. This is just for example purposes. You can go ahead and select your own domain name. Once you have that done, press the search button right here. And we can see guys over here it says that our domain name is available. So once it's available guys, we can go ahead and press this get it button right here. So go ahead and do that and give it a second while it loads. So once we do that guys, we will be directed to this page right here, which is once again our billing information, this time for our domain name. And over here we can go ahead and select a billing cycle. I'm going to go ahead and select the 1-year billing cycle, which is $14 a year, which is extremely economical. So in short guys, we're paying for the domain name, which is $14 a year. Then we went ahead and paid for our premium plan, which is $10 a month. Okay. So once you have that done guys, you can go ahead and press this continue button right here. So go ahead and do that. Over here you have your contact information, so just make sure this is all good. Once you have that done, you can go ahead and press the continue button once again. Then we have this information right here, which pretty much just shows you that if you want your domain name to have a private registration, you have to pay $9 per year. Now I highly recommend guys that you go with this simply because it removes your domain information and your contact information from the web. So you won't be getting any spam or anything like that. So I would go ahead and actually recommend this, okay? So go ahead and select that guys. Once you have that selected, go ahead and press this continue button over here. And finally guys, once we have that done, you have your payment details in place. Go ahead and press this submit purchase button right here and you are good to go. So once you do that guys, you will be directed to this page right here which says thank you for your purchase. livewithcourse.com is now connected to your website. So now we have our own custom domain name, guys. So that's pretty cool. So with that said, guys, that's pretty much it. Now we can go ahead and go to the back to my sites button right here. So let's go ahead and do that, and let's give it a second while it loads. So once we do that, guys, we will once again be directed to our Wix dashboard right here. And on the left side over here, guys, we can see our information about our plan. So our combo plan is right over here, and we can see our new domain name right here. Now a couple things, guys, if you want to go ahead and cancel your plan, you can go ahead and press this manage plan button over here. Let's give it a second while it loads. So once we do that, guys, we will be directed to this page right here, which has our plan information. So we can see my premium plan. If I scroll down over here to where it says manage payments, you can go ahead and click that. And once we do that, guys, over here, you can go ahead and press this cancel plan button to cancel your plan within the 2 weeks. So that's pretty cool. So with that said, guys, the next thing I want to show you is over here, you have some information about your domain name. So if you want to go ahead and take a look, you can go ahead and press the manage domain button over here. And once again, let's give it a second while it loads. So once we do that, guys, we can see that right here, we have our desired domain name over here. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So with that said, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show you how you can create your own custom domain name and how you can purchase a Wix plan. So with that said, guys, I will see you in the next video.